Welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about waterfall chart. Waterfall chart is really a nice way of presenting data, particularly when you have data series with lots of positive and negative contributions to arrive at net value. Some of the common examples for waterfall charts can be like corporate balance sheet analysis, statement of profit and loss, presenting graphical format for personal income and spending data. Here we have one example with the help of which we are going to do exercise of waterfall chart. So we have data like gross income for a small to medium firm. We have expenses like COGS. After subtracting and adding returns, we are getting gross profit. After subtracting different operating expenses from gross profit, we are getting operating income. And then you are subtracting some other expenses, and we're also adding interest revenue. Then you are coming at net income. So when you have this kind of data representation where you have addition, subtraction, and then you are calculating some total, then waterfall chart gives you a very nice presentation for presenting different steps involved in your calculations. So let us jump to the waterfall chart. For that you need to select this data series. One quick reminder, waterfall chart was added in MS Excel 2016 version. If you're using any version before 2016, then you may not be able to see this kind of drop down menu in your MS Excel. So I'm assuming you have MS Excel 16 with you. So just to start, you need to select the data series, click on Insert tab. Then here, this is Insert Waterfall Chart. I will click on Waterfall Chart. Automatically, they have taken best available format, and I'm stretching this to make it more clear. Chart title, we can add profit and loss. You can see the blue bar here is showing increase, decrease is represented by yellow bar, and total is basically gray. There is one issue when you are making this kind of chart in MS Excel. You can see the total column is not being represented correctly. We know this is 100,000, this is a total gross revenue. Then the gross profit 78,000, this is also total. 32,700, this is also total, and finally net income is also total. So for that we have to do some correction here. Just double click on the bar representing total, click on set as total. So automatically you can see the color will change as a gray, which means this is now representing as total. Similarly, you need to double click on this as well, set as total. This we need to do manually for all the total bar. And again, finally for the net income. Now you can see positioning has also gone correctly. So now this looks fine. For addition, you can see blue bar has addition has been represented by blue bar. Orange bar is representing decrease in value, or you can say expenses in this case, and gray color bar is showing total. For example, we have gross revenue as total to start with as 100,000. Now we have cost of goods sold as expense, which has been represented by orange color here, and when you subtract this 30,000 and again we are adding back returns 8,000, then you are getting gross profit is total as 78,000. Again you are subtracting these different expenses, which is marketing, commission, payroll, equipment, and here you can see the same is being presented with the help of yellow color bar. So after subtracting all these operating expenses, we are coming at 32,700 as operating income. You can see, you can compare from table and chart. Similarly, interest income of 4,500 is being added, which is represented by blue bar. Interest expense and loss from lawsuit is being subtracted, and finally after all this addition and subtraction, net income is 26,200, which is represented as net income. So what does it tell you is that how you are spending and how you are adding any income in between, and what is that effect on your net value. So basically this whole waterfall chart tells you about income and expenses for a particular time duration for a specific operation. In this case this is a business operation, which, and this table is basically profit and loss statement of a firm. So this is a very easy and very nice way of presenting your income and loss, positive and negative series data to come up with net total value. I hope you like this video.